Tastefully renovated turnkey property. I'm Bethany Nelson with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and you're gonna love our newest listing. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath rambler in Bloomington. Gleaming hardwood floors, fresh paint, updated light fixtures, and beautifully tiled bathrooms make this home cozy and inviting. You'll love cooking in the bright white kitchen on a gas range with space for a coffee bar or breakfast nook. Finished lower level has the 4th bedroom and a half bath. You'll love hosting movie nights and game nights in this spacious lower level family room. Close just in time to enjoy the privacy fence, patio, and fire pit in Minnesota's finest seasons.